Hey YouTube, Doc Three Toes. We're gonna do a review of a chipper shredder from Princess Auto today. Used it for 3 or 4 times and just thought I'd share my experience because I couldn't really find much on YouTube. A 13 horse Lifan motor. Couple of problems I would say I have with it right away. One is the discharge chute is really terrible. There is a bag that comes with it that you're supposed to hook up, but really it discharges too low, gets clogged up all the time. Best thing you can do is just keep moving the unit forward away from the discharge chute. Other than that, the capability is not bad. The rubber gaskets wore out within hours. They stop stuff from coming back, so they should have something better there, maybe a flap. Lost a couple of bolts right off the get-go, off the hopper. No big deal. Motor runs great, really good on fuel, moderately quiet. Seems to function pretty well, but I'll run some video and you can see if it meets your needs or not. So the good things, I really feel like the chute works really well. If you can fit it in there, generally it'll grind it up. Sometimes you have to rotate it a bit or pulse it in and out a bit, but it really eats it when it gets hold of it. Obviously the flap didn't hold up, so either rig something else up or safety third. I would say the hopper works really well for dry stuff and for not that branchy stuff. What it doesn't like, I think you saw in the video, is fir boughs, probably spruce boughs, pine. It really seems to gum up with the wetter needles. So if you're having to do that stuff, I would say let the needles dry off at first and then chip it. Really poor part, I would say, is the discharge chute. Really sucks. You do have to constantly keep it clear. Now, mine was pre-assembled, so I could read manufacturer directions, make sure it's hooked up right, but I can't see how they're gonna make that any better. So just keep backing it off, I think, is the best solution. Overall, for the money, it does a good job. 13 horse, I believe $999, which is more cost effective than anything else I could find. So that's what I think. Hopefully my video will give somebody at least something to look at. There wasn't a whole lot out there, so I'll leave a product number so that other people can look it up and let me know what you think.